Hello students, today we are going to begin with the lesson circles. So all of you know what is a circle. The shape which is shown here, this shape is called as the circle. And in the previous standard, we have studied many things about the circle. Okay, so in this lecture, we are going to recall those things only. Nothing new we are going to study. Whatever we have done in 4th standard, we will do a quick revision of all that. First thing is radius. So what is a radius? The line joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called a radius of the circle. So this is the center of the circle, and from center to the boundary, such a line is called as radius. सेंटर को सर्कल के ऊपर से किसी भी पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करने वाली लाइन उसको बोलते हैं रेडियस. And in a circle, how many radius we can draw? Uncountable. We can draw many radii. So if single is there, then radius. If plural is there, then we say radii. So एक सर्कल में बहुत सारे रेडियस हो सकते हैं और उन सारे रेडियस का जो लेंथ है वो इक्वल रहेगा, सेम रहेगा. एक ही सर्कल के कितने भी रेडियस बना लीजिए, उन सारे रेडियस का लेंथ सेम रहेगा. सो व्हाट इज अ रेडियस? सेंटर टू बाउंड्री, लाइन फ्रॉम सेंटर टू बाउंड्री ऑफ द सर्कल. सो इन दिस डायग्राम PM is the radius of the circle and M is any point on the circle and P is the center. So this is a radius. Second one is a chord. CHORD. It is called as chord. So what is a chord? A line joining any 2 points on a circle. सर्कल के ऊपर के कोई भी 2 पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करने वाली लाइन उसको बोलते हैं chord of the circle. So here MN is the chord of the circle. So how you will remember this? Boundary to boundary. Radius means center to boundary and chord means boundary to boundary. Now the next one is diameter. Now diameter is also a chord. Diameter भी एक chord ही होती है, but diameter is a special chord. What is the special thing about this diameter? The diameter passes from the center of the circle. It passes through the center of the circle. बाकी के जो chords है वो कहीं से भी पास हो सकते हैं, पर जो chord सेंटर से होकर पास होती है उस chord को स्पेशल नाम दिया है, that is diameter. So a chord passing through the center of the circle is called a diameter. और किसी भी सर्कल में how many diameters we can draw? Many. Chords also we can draw many. Okay, so radius, chord and diameter. Now this is a circle and we have to write the radius, diameter and chord. So first let's write the name of the radius. What is radius? Center to boundary, center to boundary, center to boundary, center to boundary. So center से कौन कौन start हो रहा है? OS. OS is a radius. OM is a radius. OP is a radius and OT is the radius. In this figure there are 4 radii and length of all the radius will be same only. So याद रखना radius कहाँ से start होता है? Center से boundary तक. Now the diameter means boundary, center, boundary. Boundary, center, boundary. So MT. Don't write MOT क्योंकि हम ये एक लाइन का नाम लिख रहे हैं और लाइन के नाम में सिर्फ 2 अल्फ़ाबेट्स ही यूज़ होते हैं. भले ही उसके बीच में कितने सारे और पॉइंट्स हो, पर हमें स्टार्टिंग टू एंड दो ही लिखना है. सो MT इज अ डायमीटर बिकॉज इट इज पासिंग थ्रू द सेंटर, and PS is a diameter because it is also passing through a center. Now the chord means boundary to boundary, means MN is a chord. Actually MT and PS is also a chord. I told you diameter is also a chord. So even if you write the name of diameters in chord, that will also be correct. Now the next topic is how to draw a circle. So this also we have studied. So for drawing a circle, the instrument that is used is called as compass. This instrument is called as compass. In this compass, you have to fix a sharpened pencil so that both the tips should be at the same level. Okay, both the tips should be at the same level. So this you can check by your finger, by using your finger. दोनों टिप्स एग्जैक्टली सेम लेवल पे होनी चाहिए. ओके, सी हियर. नाउ हाउ टू ड्रॉ अ सर्कल ऑफ अ गिवन रेडियस. अगर आपको रेडियस नहीं दी है और कोई भी सर्कल बनाने के लिए बोला है, so simply you can keep the compass, select a point on your book and just rotate it and you can draw a circle. Actually this radius is small, that's why. So like this you can draw a circle. But if the radius is given to you, then you have to measure that radius in your compass. So first example is 2 centimeter. So let's mark 2 centimeter on the page first. So this is 2 and this is 0. So this much distance is 2 centimeter. Now we will take this distance in the compass. So let's keep the tip of the compass on one point and the tip of the pencil on the other point. So let's take 2 centimeter distance. Now select a point on your paper. Keep the compass on this point and just rotate the compass. Press the tip properly and then rotate it. So this is the circle. Remember that always hold the compass here. Don't hold the compass here or here while drawing. Always hold the compass here while drawing the circle. Now we have to give name to the center of the circle. So what is the center of the circle? This, the point where we kept the compass for drawing this circle is called the center of the circle. Suppose this is O. After this, from O you will draw the radius. कोई भी एक रेडियस ड्रॉ करो आप, ऐसे ऐसे ऐसे, any type, and give here this point a name. Suppose P. So OP is the radius. And how much is OP we have taken? 2 centimeter. So like this you have to write above the radius 2 centimeter. So in this way we can draw the circle of given radius. Now the next example is 4 centimeter. So in the compass we will take a distance of 4 centimeter. So this is 40, means this much is 4 centimeter. Now keep the tip of the compass on one point and the pencil on the other. So this much is the 4 centimeter distance. Now select a point on the page. On this point, keep the compass and draw the circle. प्रेस द टिप प्रॉपरली, टिप को अच्छे से प्रेस करना है आपको, तभी आपका कंपास स्टेडी रहेगा। So this is the 4 centimeter circle. Now give this point a name. Suppose A. Draw a radius. Any radius you can draw. Check it whether it is 4 centimeter. See, 4 centimeter. Give here a name, suppose B. And above this write down 4 centimeter. So this is a circle of 4 centimeter. Now the third example is 3 centimeter. So take the scale, mark 2 dots, 3 and 0. Now take this much distance in your compass. So this much distance is 3 centimeter. Now select a point for drawing the circle. Keep the compass on this point and draw the circle. Let's shift this point little bit downside so that it does not come over 3. Suppose this is the point. Now keep the compass and draw the circle. So this is how we draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Suppose this is P. Draw a radius. See, this is 3 centimeter. 5 to 8 means what? 3 centimeter. So write down here 3 centimeter. So in this way you can draw a circle of any radius that you want. Now the second question in the problem set 28 is, draw a circle of any radius. Show one diameter, one radius and one chord on that circle. So question number 2. So let's select any radius of our choice. So here I am selecting 2.5 centimeter. 2 के आगे 5th line means 2.5 centimeter. This is 2.5 centimeter and let's draw a circle. Mark this point where we kept the tip of the compass. Now this is the center. What we have to show? One radius. Radius means what? Line which passes through the center and touches both the boundary. Boundary, center, boundary. Suppose इसको नाम देंगे हम A, B. Center is suppose M. One radius. So एक radius draw करेंगे हम like this. Suppose this is N. So AB is diameter, MN is radius. And we have to show one chord also. So anywhere you can draw one chord. Suppose PQ. So PQ is a chord. So in this way you have to complete problem set 28. Question 1, 3 questions and question 2, 1. So complete problem set 28 in your notebook. Understood? Thank you.